Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I thought we would talk about some games that you could play. I've got a dice here that I've made, which I've put some pictures of animals from our Te Reo Singalong book, Māori. So in these books, mostly they have the little icon pictures there that you could photocopy and use to make a game. Some people do them and put them on sticks, laminate them and put them on sticks. One other idea is if you've got some dice, you could just put it over top of something else, or this dice had white gaps, so I've just put the pictures on there. So for this one, I'm trying to encourage the sentence structure He aha tēnei that we've talked about before, but you could use a different sentence structure. And I've put 6 of the animal pictures on there. You could do it with the animals from Kei Te Peke Aho, you could do it with the shapes from Ngā Āhua, the bugs from He aha tēnei, and you could also do it with the vehicles or the colours from Me Haere. So, and there's lots of other ways. You don't have to use our Te Reo Singalong books. You could use any other pictures that you want. So if it's for teaching vocabulary, and it's just another way to make it fun to learn some vocabulary and some sentences in Te Reo. So this one is for people who maybe they can't read yet, but they can see the picture. So we're hoping that they might have already been exposed to, because that's the only reason you'd be doing it, these ones. So this is ko, tame hei hei, ngeru, hoiho, hipi, and kuri. So the pictures are there. I've left the words on there, but you could take them off if you wanted to do it with older children that can read, and you could take the pictures off. So we might have a group of children around and I'm saying, He aha tēnei, what is this? And they would, the one that's at the top, they would have to say, He hipi tēnei. So if they're holding it, if you've given it to them, He aha tēnei, they would hold it and say, He hipi tēnei. But if they were pointing to it from a distance, they would say, He hipi tēnā. So tēnā is for that. Tēnei this, tēnā that. So try and keep it simple. So they might be rolling the dice. If they're rolling the dice, they can say, oh, He aha tēnei. They could roll their own dice and then it's easy. Tēnei, he hoiho tēnei. So that's something that you could do with children to incorporate the sentence and the words, and we'll be doing more things with games coming up soon, some more dice things to do with words where you're working with children that can read or with yourself, with adults. And yeah, so keep watching. Let me know if you've got any particular requests of things that you'd like to see. Otherwise I'll just keep going with what I think you would like and what you would find helpful. Ka kite.